channel again and welcome to Pearl TV. So in this video guys, i-share ko lamang sa inyo that I'm going back to work. So what do I mean? Do I mean that I'm going back to work from resting? I will go back to the kitchen and clean the mess? Of course not. Okay, what I would love to share with you guys is that I will go back to work to an office, to a particular company that I would love to spend my day so I can have my own income again, okay? So yun na nga guys, na-mention ko a while ago that I will be going back to work. So ano-ano yung mga dahilan ko bakit gusto ko nang magtrabaho ulit after 7.5 years of break, okay? Way back 2016, I decided to leave my job in one company. And I decided to become an entrepreneur, a home-based mom, and at the same time, doing small home businesses like food making, okay? And I enjoyed it. I enjoyed my work then, okay? And then it happened that pandemic strike. And during the pandemic, I still enjoyed because I was engaged in YouTube. And at the same time, doing YouTube, it makes me feel so happy meeting different people. But as time goes by, my daughter is growing up and she's becoming independent. And I have learned from her that she's really doing well. And I realized that she have learned of the lesson that I have taught her. So I'm right now feeling confident that my daughter is already grown up and she can protect herself, and at the same time, of course, I will be leaving her. I will be leaving her to a friend of mine. Consuelo ba? Okay, so I already talked to a friend of mine, good friend of mine, and a neighbor friend as well. Okay, and I'm very much confident that my friend can take over my responsibility to her as her mother. Okay, so by the grace of God, there is an opportunity for me na magtrabaho ako ulit. Okay, so what is the reason why I finally decided to go back to work? Okay. Sobrang pagod na ako talaga sa gawaing bahay. Wala namang nag-uutos sa akin. Kaso talaga guys, pag nasa loob kayo ng bahay, everything needs to be reorganized from time to time. Unlike before, na marami talaga ako mga sideline like I'm doing mga kung ano-ano mga food making ano ko, yung mga hindi ko masyadong pinapansin. Ewan ko ba? Kasi nito mga nagdang araw masyado kong kinakarir, which, alam mo yun, parang na-burnout na ako. Tapos siguro, yung punto na gusto ko din, magkaroon na din ako ng again, kasi ayoko na naubusan ako ng pera eh. It's one of the thing that I do not want to happen to me, na maubusan ako ng pera. Tumatakbo yun sa isip ko eh. Kasi syempre nanay na ako, hindi pwede na magkompensa tayo na. And ayoko naman na, syempre asa kay mister ko, yung mga pang-personal, yung mga gusto ko, like, for example, I want a certain improvement in the house. Syempre magpapaalam ko sa mister mo. Syempre hindi ka papayagan, di ba? Kasi sabihin, ay may mga mas importante pa din. Mahirap. Lalo na ngayon nga nasabi ko, I want to do improvement. Pero hindi yung ganun kadali. Kasi syempre you need an approval to your manager, your spouse, okay? So hindi siya, dun tumatakbo yun. Gusto kong i-organize to, gusto ko. So it comes into my mind na, kailangan ko na talagang balik sa trabaho. Malaki na din yung anak ko, di ba? Ayan. Ito pa nga yung sabi dito sa newsletter na to, why some women go back to work. Pasok ba to sa akin? Financial stability, okay? Sa akin naman, full support naman si mister ko pagdating sa pera, sa allowance, full support. Walang problema. Hindi kami ginugutom. Hindi ako ginugutom ni mister ko, ah. Ayan naman. Ganun pangangailangan ko. Pero yung sinasabi nga, sakto lang. Okay? I'm not compensated. Yan. Hindi ako compensated. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I need to go to work para kahit pa paano hindi na ako masyadong sobrang nagkikikilos kasi I really felt fatigue. Siyempre tumatanda na tayo eh. Tumatanda na tayo. So there's a time na gusto mong ano eh, magpahinga-hinga ba? Hindi, pag nanay ka kasi iba talaga guys eh. Kaya sa mga nagdedesisyon na mag-housewife, make it sure that you are financially stable. Kasi if not, you will be doing things like, ano eh, yung pag-racket mo na sobra-sobra, ma-stress ka din. Ayun eh. Kaso ganun talaga ako, mahilig talaga ako mag-sideline eh. 'Di ba? Sabihin ng iba kasalanan mo, Pearl, kasi ang dami mo sideline. Hindi ko masisisi ang sarili ko kasi nga masipag lang talaga ako. 'Di ba? I have so many home business na hindi ko pwedeng yung took for granted kasi kailangan ko din para for my personal na kailangan ko. Basta gusto ko lang. Masaya ako. 'Di ba? So yun eh. And second is career goals. Check natin kung pasok ito sa akin. Sabi din, some women have specific career goals that they want to achieve. And taking a break from ito nga yung sinasabi dito, taking a break from maternity. Sa akin hindi eh. I stopped from working, being an employee for 7.5 years. And then right now, I'm not planning, I am about to work, okay? Babalik na ako sa trabaho, and I already talked to a boss, to the company owner, that I will be starting up my work, okay? So, yun. And I'm so happy that I got a boss na, be confident na maging empleyado niya, and I would love to share my talent kasi alam ko, he's really a good friend of mine before, and this is my godfather in a wedding, okay? And then number 3, professional development. Pasok ba to sa akin? Staying in workforce allows women to continue to develop professionally and stay up to date with industry trends and advancement. This can lead to career growth opportunities and potentially higher salaries. Ayan, dumarating kasi talaga tayo sa punto na I know that I am a good earner eh. Diba? When I'm working then, I can demand the salary that I want to have. Kasi sasabihin ko, I know I can do this. But it happened that I become a housewife. I just keep on cleaning and find myself tired. And the only consolation that I do from time to time is drinking black coffee. You know? Yun lang ang naging konsuelo ko. And okay na ako doon. Kasi ang pinaka-importante talaga sa akin, ito yung sasabihin ko sa inyo guys ha. Ang pinaka-importante kasi talaga sa akin, yung nagdumalaki yung anak ko, na ma-instill ko talaga sa kanya yung values, okay? Good habits and values. Yun yung nagpatagal sa akin sa pagiging housewife. Kasi I want my daughter to grow up. Yung values, lalo na yung mga sa Bible, di ba? Yung part talaga natin sa kanila. So, kung tatanungin ko ang sarili ko, naging successful ba yung 7.5 years sa pag-aalaga ko sa anak ko? Hindi naman perfect talaga yung guys eh. Pero right now, nakikita ko sa anak ko. The values is instilled to her mind. Okay? Na-instill ko sa kanya yon, and she's growing up. A good girl. Hindi ko naman masabing perfect na good girl talaga to. It's what I observe. Kahit may kakulitan din, pero 'di ba, nakita mo naman na magalang sa ibang tao, magalang sa iyo. Pagmahal sa ibang tao, marespeto sa ibang tao. So, yung feedback nga ni teacher niya sa akin, ito si Neria, mabait talaga to. 'Di ba? So, that is the biggest consolation that I ever heard. Kasi that is what I want her to be, na maging mabait. I don't want any scholastic achievement that people say, this is very intelligent. No. What I would love to hear from people is your daughter is good and kind. Your daughter, di ba? Hindi kasi ako after sa mga achievement na mga kasi after ako, so kumusta yung anak ko? The character, the values, the attitude, dun ako after. So, naging successful ba? Naging successful. Okay? And then, sabi dito sa 5, mental health. Well-being, considerable ba ito sa akin? Well-being a stay-at-home parent can be rewarding. It can also be isolating and mentally taxing. Going back to work after maternity can leave a product sense of purpose. Hindi nga to sa akin kasi ako after maternity ko, bumalik talaga ako sa work noon. Ayan, ito, after 7.5 years from, break, diba, work break, pabalik na ako. Okay? Yes, guys, pag nasa bahay ka, sometimes it's mentally, yung mental health mo mag-deteriorate. Kasi nga, diba sabi ko sa'yo, napaka-stressful sa loob ng bahay. Lalo sometimes yung anak mo, diba, natural sa mga bata naman talaga yung ka din talaga. Matitesting talaga yung salitang peace. Patience, okay? Okay, kaya nga, di ba, minsan may mga magulang na nasaktan yung anak. Kasi yung mga anak talaga natin, di ba, nandun yun sa age of development. Na ako din, minsan, napapalo ko din ang anak ko, pero I know that those palo really taught her to become good, okay? Kaya nga sabi ko, enough na yun, tama na yun, papalag ako na siya sa iba, and I will be paying good money to my friend, okay? Para sa take over ng aking responsibility to her. Okay? So, mental health, guys. It's really mentally draining for a mother. Tapos, kung lalo na kung financial, nagkakaroon ng, alam mo na, hindi naman kasi lahat ng panahon mapera kayo eh. Di ba? Kung housewife ka tapos yung mister mo walang maayos na trabaho, napakahirap mo. Pero in my case naman, hindi naman, kasi napaka-responsable naman ng asawa ko. Ang akin lang talaga, yung mental health ko, syempre, pag nasa loob ka ng bahay, kung ano nung iniisip mo, may mga panahon na ganun eh. And then, number 6, role modeling for children. Ayun, important. Sabi ng iba, okay naman daw talaga na isang nanay yung nagtatrabaho para yung mga anak din ay magsikap din sila na to look for to choose for, parang piliin din nila kung sino sila pagdating ng araw. But, para naman sa akin, yung pagiging housewife talaga is maganda naman talaga. Kaso, diba, meron din kasi tayong may mga personal na rason tayo, like, you want, ako, para sa akin, professional development. Sabi dito, staying in the workplace allows women to continue develop professionally, yes. Kasi para sa akin, diba, I know that there's more that I can do. Nararamdaman ko yun eh. There's more that I can do, not just babysitting or taking good care of my child. Marami pa akong gustong gawin sa buhay ko. And bata pa naman siguro ako. Para i-develop ko ang aking parang ma-achieve ko yung professional goal ko, okay? So soon, I will be sharing you kung anong industry yung saan akong industry anong company, anong industry, okay? And, ayun guys. So, salamat sa mga nanood ng video na to, and I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to be get notified whenever I posted a new video. Bye, and thanks for watching. Abangan nyo ang magiging work ko, okay? Minsan magla-live siguro ako if my boss will allow me to do the live streaming, because I know that YouTube can also be a tool for doing that business that I'm going to engage with, okay? Bye! God bless.